Hello guys, I'm Marcelo and today we are going to talk about fantasy, magic and fairy tales. The theme for this video is Mary Poppins. I created some illustrations, some works as art journal spreads and my planner, I don't know, I made a lot of things on this theme and I want to share with you. At first I want to show you my art journal spread, one of them that I create with this theme using the when Mary Poppins go to the fantasy land, we can say. I made this illustration in watercolor and those little horses and the carousel I made as die cuts and I glued everything together. I have to finish this spread and well, I want to share with you this. And also I have to finish this. I have to put the title. I want to make a flip here under the doll. And I want to make the title as supercalifragil. I don't remember the super word. And also I illustrate the other characters like this Votes for Women lady, the kid's mom, and I made this little, that's the same of the spread, and the original, we can say the Mary Poppins, this lampshade here I made also, and this vase, the scene of the captain with the explosion, I don't know. I remember this scene. I loved this movie as I was a little kid. The little hat, when I published this on Instagram, was very successful. The teapot and the teacup com a M from Mary Poppins or Marcelo. And the bag, Mary Poppins bag, is so Mary Poppins. And this chimney, I don't know how I can say this broom, I don't know, to clean the chimney, but it's really Mary Poppins. And the umbrella, but I put here a flamingo because in my world, by Marcelo's world, I create a song when I sing with a flamingo, and I want to put my a little piece of me in this work. Well, today I want to teach you. I want to share a tutorial when I'm going to use one element to make a tea party. The first tutorial for this tea party is a placeholder or a favor bag using the Mary Poppins bag. I'm going to make a little tea party with some simple materials we have at home as cardboards. This is the bag I want to inspire it by, but the shape a little more simple, but it will be always Mary Poppins, and it's better see than only here. So come with me. So we're going to make, as I said, the placeholder here, and if we change the size, we can make another objects, like I said, favor bags, or table decoration, some ornaments. The shape I'm going to do is this, the bag with a little handle, and the measures I'm going to use, the measure unit is centimeters. Here we have to make, the front is 11 wide and 7 centimeters high, and the side is 4 by 7. Here we have to make a spot here, 1 centimeter here and 1 here. We make these lines, those lines, and this is the shape we need to the front of the bag, like this. And we make the same thing on the side, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. This is the shape here. So we have the front here and the side here. Now we have to do the pattern to make this bag. It's really simple. We have to start from the base. The base is 11 by 4. We draw this shape because 11 is this base and 4 is this from this base, from this shape. We put it here and we drew here. We draw. This is the front, and we take the side and we draw it here. Now the front again. We draw it here. I think it's easy, isn't it? And one more time the side here, like this. To close, we have to do some flips, like this. I think 2 centimeters wide is good. And one less to close here. The pattern is like this. It's really easy. We cut, we fold, and we glue. I cut this shape, well, again, the front, here, 2 times, here, and the side, here and here, and the flips. 4 flips to glue. As I said, I cut this pattern. I used a navy blue paper. I use cardboard because I think navy blue is Mary Poppins color. And I cover it with a decorated tissue paper, a floral tissue paper, and I use Mod Podge to glue it together. So I fold and I glue to make the bag. I'm going to show you after glued. And here is everything. The bag is closed. I make this fold here and here. This look little old, a little used. Is this the objective? This, and we have to make a little stripe and the handle. I also make a little bigger bag with the same technique to use as a favor bag or ornament, table ornament. The same technique, the same pattern, just the measures a little bigger. I can say bigger, I don't know. So now I'm going to decorate this and I'll show you. Well, this is the placeholder. Like I said, I put the stripe here. It's a little cardboard stripe and the handle. With a brown marker I made some details, and with the white gel pen I made these spotlights to give this for more 3D dimension. I know I made a tag with the guest name, also Marcelo, and I put my die cut. You can use this with your stickers, your illustrations, and here's the bigger one, the favor bag with an N and M, because it's Mary Poppins, also Marcelo. No, Mary Poppins Tea Party. And this is, if you don't have a decorative shoe paper, a floral, you can use ink, you can use pencils, colored pencils to make this, because in the story this is a rug, a carpet. This is the result of the work. It's really simple to the technique, and you have to use your fantasy, your creativity to give those bags your style, we can say, Mary Poppins style. So I hope you like it, this as an inspiration, as also a tip to illustrate the party. And I hope if you want to see more of my work, you can visit my Facebook page by Marcelo or my Instagram account by Marcelo Carboni. See you soon in the next project, and bye bye!